What would bears be without bees? Ears. You're welcome. I don't know if that darn camera focused, but the oil's all good. So it was pretty dark, really quite black. So it looked like it hadn't changed quite a while, but now it's all changed. Got some clean oil in there. You wondered about these gloves if you don't wear them. I had a buddy of mine who's a mechanic that's been doing this forever. So that's I picked it up off him. Maybe you already do that. And keeps your hands from being a complete mess. So anyways, not something I always used to do, so, but I find it quite helpful now. Anyways, so I throw 10W30 in this in the warmer weather, and then I'll throw 5W30 in for the winter, and that's pretty much about it. But let me show you how this oil was looking. You can see it in the old filter here. You see it down there, pretty dark. Here. It was pretty black. Nice and clean now. Anyways, if you didn't see the other video I just showed of it, you go check that out. I just posted it. Just giving a look around of this old 76 CJ7. Hasn't been lifted, hasn't been tortured, hasn't been abused out in the woods. It's crazy the shape this is in. It's 50 years old this year. So pretty cool the shape it's in. And yeah, that's a 258 straight six. I probably had 10 of those engines in other Jeeps over the years, but just wanted to get some. But when I checked that oil, I was like, well, that's the first thing I got to do is at least do an oil change in this thing. I'm probably going to flush the rad fluid too, throw that in. You know, check all the fluids really. But the oil was the top priority there, but it's done. So pretty cool. First thing done in this garage, really, I think, is that oil. I've only been here a week. We've had the Jeep for a week, and maybe we've been here 2 weeks now. Anyways, look at that thing. Just beautiful. Pretty impressed with the shape this thing's in. See my hood light? It's just a flashlight with a magnet on it. They keep it pretty simple back in the day, and I'm pretty simple, so I like that. Well, this is unfortunate. I didn't realize that this here gathered a crack on the transportation from New Brunswick out to here. Now I have oil all over the floor. So that's not fun. That's unfortunate. So this whole pan is cracking it. My clean job got dirty. Guess I'll clean that up now.
Welcome to Alberta. Yesterday was 20 degrees. Today I wake up and it's snowing outside. Crazy weather. Hi. So Sam really wanted a bunny, so we picked up this bunny cage yesterday. It is way bigger than I thought. It is huge. Don't yell. Don't yell. I'll put your show back on. It's huge, but we're gonna go get her a bunny. We might be getting one at the end of the month. There is one available today to go and get, but there's also one at the end of the month that's gonna be available. It's too young right now and it won't be available until the end of the month. And it's like a special, it's a plush mini Holland Lop bunny. So it's like a special breed and supposedly really good for like indoors or with kids and really soft. So I think we might hold out till the end of the month and then get that one when it's ready. So we're pretty excited about that though. I did a little decorating too. See? Got a couple pictures up. Pretty nice. We got a lot of magnets up on our fridge. It's really becoming homey. And then up here, I put a couple pictures as well. Coming together. Unloaded some books and stuff and got her play tent set up. I don't know if I showed that already, but Adriana loves playing in that. So like it's really looking quite nice in here. And got my boxes all put away. What are you doing? She's riding her bike, that's why it's over there. Silly nugget. Mommy, yes, mommy, here, your mommy. Reclining. Here, mommy's gonna be right back. Hi. Hi, mommy. Hi, baby. All right, now on to the more in-depth part, I'd say. The electrical stuff. Sam picked this bed, and probably because it has plugs and it has like LED lights. This way at night she can plug in her alarm clock, or like, well, not at night, like always. She can plug in her alarm clock. She can also charge her iPad and things like that. Screwdriver is not great to use. Just a crappy one they gave. has taken me like all day to build this, and I'm glad I'm done. I just need to buy her a new comforter. She really wants a new comforter, and she wants like a Paris one from Paris, or Paris themed or something like that. So I guess I'm gonna have to look on the internet to see what I can find. But for now, this is how it's gonna stay. So I'm gonna get her to put her books and her stuffies and all her things up on the shelves and set it up however she wants. And it also has lights, so I'll show you that. All right, so I feel like that took pretty much the entirety of the day to build, but it's built and she's really happy and she loves her lights and her setup, and we got a bunch of things put on her wall, which is awesome. So there's her new bedroom.